Are you able to hear me? No, over here. I think sorry, are you? Now we are going to install the Kali machine on Oracle VirtualBox. And for that, we are going to use the Kali virtual disk image. For this, we are going to use our Oracle VirtualBox. We are going to use the import option. Go into the Kali folder which we have just downloaded. All right. So from here, go to tools, go to add, then go to the downloads, look at the Kali machine and pick up this file, which is the virtual machine, VirtualBox machine file ending in -AMD64. Say open, and you should have one new entry in your Oracle VirtualBox, which is called the Kali 2023.3 VirtualBox AMD. The username and password for the Kali machine is below. You can see username Kali, password Kali. So both of them you should be able to see. Now we will go back to the original machine, and if you notice over here, our network is PCI NAT. Incidentally, this is a different NAT. So let me change that. I will go to network and change it to the same NAT. And then start the Kali. So the username for Kali is Kali and the password is Kali too. Okay. So here you go. Let's put the username Kali and the password as Kali. Then let us look at the IP config, sorry, IF config. Now we will also start the machine for us, which is the OWASP BWA. happened? It's not starting. I think that's because you saved the state. Power it down. Right? Don't save the machine state, power it down. Let's try again. If you notice, this is not proper. We will have to power it both the machines down and change the netting. Okay, so power down the machine, don't save the state. Go back to the settings, and this time change the network to bridged adapter with allow all. So change the network to bridged adapter with allow all. Then go back to the Kali machine, change the network to bridged adapter with allow all. And then start the machines again. So it did not actually give me an IP, if you noticed. Can you see hasn't given me an IP? You'll have to figure this out. So we need host only. Okay, we will have to change this. So if you notice, this did not give us an IP. Do you see that? It has not given me an IP at all. Let us still try to see if we can grab an IP. So we will go to root. OWASP BWA. IF config. It didn't get an IP at all. So this is not going to, we will have to move back to NAT. But the problem with NAT was that we did not have our IP there. Okay, let's have to figure that one out. Mhm. We will have to move back to NAT, but we will have to add it from here. So what I'll do is we will go to the machine file. So in the machine, go to the settings. No, not the machine setting. Go to preferences. So file, preferences, machine, New machine settings. Network. We need to create one. Let's try and see if we can get it from machine tools setting. Tools. Got it. Network manager. Now there we will create a NAT network or a host network also we can create. Okay. So there is a host network also and we can use the host or also configuration. So let me say, I think this should be itself sufficient. If I look at the properties for this one, the DHCP server is enabled and the addresses are defined. Okay. So let us try to add this to VM1. Go to network, host only, adapter, advanced, allow all. Then go to host only network again. Allow all. Start. Okay, so I did get an IP, which is a good thing. Now let me. Kali Kali IF config. Okay, so the good thing is we have got the right IP. Let's test whether it is working or not on our machine or not. So let's go to HTTP colon double slash 192.168.56.101 slash PHP my admin. And it looks like we have been able to successfully install our machine. Okay. So I can see that. Can you see that the machine is now properly installed? It's asking me. So what I'm doing is from my Kali machine, I will be now performing my test cases on the victim. So victim would be on the website that I'm going to be testing. That is on OWASP BWA. That's the machine. And I'm accessing this from my Kali machine. So my environment will now have two virtual machines. I will perform my testing on the Kali machine. So this is OWASP BWA. and and I can now perform testing using different types of tools. Okay. I don't no longer need to make these use cases in my mind. I can, or document them and do them manually. I can perform automated testing using Kali. All right. And this is your setup for your next set of labs, which I believe we have done today. I'm going to stop the share now.